Let's now link up with Robinson Okenya, who has pitched camp in Naivasha. Robbie, good afternoon. We are heading towards the tail end of the WRC Championships. What does it mean, especially for world champion Sebastian Ogier, to win this? Because this is perhaps the last competition he's participating in, having announced his retirement.
To you, George Maringa. Of course, all eyes are on Sebastian Ogier. Currently, he's taking the lead over the Safari Rally, clocking a time of 3 hours, 11 minutes and 54.6 seconds. All eyes are on the Frenchman. Remember, yesterday, at the end of the day, Thierry Nouveau had the overnight lead, and Sebastian Ogier was third on the leaderboard, but things changed the morning after Thierry Nouveau had that rear suspension rare tire suspension accident in the morning, so things changed, and in doing so Thierry Nouveau dropped, and which was in quotes a good thing for Kenyan drivers. Remember, Onkarai was 8th yesterday, so with Thierry Nouveau retiring for the day, Onkarai moves to 7th on the leaderboard at the moment. And remember also, we've listened to what FIA president, that is Jean Todt, has said that, you know, this is good for Kenya, this is good for Africa to have the Safari Rally on the WRC calendar for the first time in 19 years. So it's of course, it will boost tourism, at the same time improve the nature of the game in the country. But remember, 17 stages are done so far, one more to go. In the morning loop, it was the Loldia stage, then Hell's Gate, and then Malewa. After that, the drivers had to go back to Loldia, and then right now they're just waiting for the power stage. That will be Hell's Gate, the final stage of the day, which will give some of the drivers probably points at the end of the day. Currently, Team Toyota, remember, it's been a battle between Team Toyota, Team Hyundai or Hyundai, and also Team Ford. And for Team Hyundai, they've been having a very, very bad day for today, this final day. Yesterday, they had a fantastic day. Of course, Thierry Nouveau leading, and then of Otto Tanak third. But today, things have changed for Team Hyundai. So the battle now is, of course, between the drivers in Team Toyota, that is Sebastian Ogier and Takamoto Katsuka, who was leading in after the first stage of the day. But at the moment, of course, Sebastian Ogier is the man at the top, followed by Takamoto Katsuka and Otanak, and of course at number 4 you have for Team Ford. And of course Onkarai, the best ranked Kenyan driver at the moment, 7th, and then followed by Karan Patel, who's 8th, and Carl Tundo at number 10. We are waiting for the power stage to see how things pan out and who comes out as the winner of this competition. But as it stands, then definitely it's going to be Sebastian Ogier. We had him say that he's, of course, waiting to, rather next year, he may not be taking part fully in the rally. Probably he will be doing bits of it. So we are waiting at the end of the day to hear from him, if he will be planning to come back to the Safari Rally if it happens next year. Back to you, George Maringa.
This will be coming in our subsequent bulletins. A section of Nyanza clergy are currently addressing the press on the new COVID-19 protocols imposed on 13 counties